time.
Oh, good.
Randall with the pilot place. This is the guy that you're gonna want to meet, get to know, come to his class, learn to fly. Tell me about the pilot place.
So the pilot place is a great place to learn. Either if you just want to have some fun, or if you actually want to go to totally commercial to the airlines, we can do all that for you. It's such a great place to fly here. The airport is right next to the water. We take off, and it's just a beautiful scenery. We go out to the east a lot, and it's just a great place to practice and fly around. So it's a great location to train. Florida, and especially Sarasota, is just the weather's so good, and we can train most of the days of the year.
That's wonderful. And you guys fly at night. You train people to fly at night around here, don't you?
Absolutely, we do a lot of night flying. So night flying is important. We want to make sure people are properly trained at night because night flying is different than day flying. So we make sure we have them properly trained so it keeps them safe.
Very big deal to be safe, isn't it?
It is.
Good
Yes,
job. You are
absolutely.
safe. I recommend the pilot place.
Thank you.